Greetings humans, it's I, the Great Papyrus fan, and today we are going to be playing Mario and Luigi Paper Jam. Okay, so before I get started with the video, I just wanted to say thank you for voting for this game. So in the straw poll, this game got 3 votes, Luigi's Mansion Dark Moon got 2 votes, Kirby Playing Robobot and Kirby Triple Deluxe got 1 vote each, and the rest of the games got 0 votes. Alright, so let's start. Gonna have a super long cutscene. Alright, so I don't really want to read the subtitles because I do not want to damage my voice because of the Toad voice. Alright, now also, what I also want to say about this is, I want to do, so this is going to be part 1 of this game. And I'm gonna do a part 1 of another game that you guys are gonna vote out of the other 8. And after I do a part 1 of all the other games, I'm gonna start part 2 of all the other games, and then part 3 until the end of the game. So let's start, shall we? We got my boy Luigi here. Oh, don't be afraid, Luigi. I mean, then again, I would kind of be afraid as well if I saw a giant mouse like that. Okay. There goes my boy Luigi. I love that there's like little stars flying around his head. And now, silence. Paper Peach. Speaking of her, Mario's freaking out in the background. Alright. Yes, please. Man, it's taking a while. Yes, the guidebook, of course. Alright, now we can finally move. Where's Daisy? Alright, finally, time to search for some toads. I wonder where could they be? Hey kids, do you know where a toad is? Click. Good job! I'm doing some sort of like Dora the Explorer kind of thing where the blue arrow clicks on the location Dora needs to go to. I'm basically doing literally a nutshell. That's literally Dora the Explorer in a nutshell. Some toads. Alright. Some more toads. Alright. Come on, get out. I don't want to deal with your sass. Where could some other toads be? Well, one toad is right there. Oh yeah, one more toad. Alrighty, that's all the toads. Because I am a master at catching toads. Oh, come, are you serious? I hate that toads get captured by Goombas. They could easily just stomp on them. I mean, come on, be a Mario. Be a Mario Toad. Oh, come on, Mario and Luigi suffered even more bigger challenges. Like how they went inside Bowser this one time. Anyways. We shall move over here. And there's my boy Nabbit. And another one. Okay, now we can move on. Got Mushroom Times number 3. Toadette. She made some sort of like Mario cardboard thing. Copy block. Come on.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Okie dokie. So that would end for this part of the. This will end this part of the episode. So, guys, so I'll leave in the link in the description below on what game you want me to play next. So yeah, as soon as I complete all the part 1 of the other 8 games, I'm gonna continue part 2 of this game. So link is in the description below, and vote on which game I should play next. But if the poll doesn't work for you, then just vote in the comments. But only if the poll doesn't work for you. If the poll doesn't work for you, vote in the comments. But if it does work for you, vote in the poll. So yeah, see you next time. See you on my next video.